So, ayan na nga guys, at dito na tayo guys sa Hong Kong. At syempre, pupunta na muna tayo ng immigration. Pero bago makarating tayo sa immigration, ay marami pang paglalakaran natin guys. At sasakay pa tayo ng trains bago tayo makarating doon sa immigration. So, tara guys, at samahan nyo ako na maglakad papuntang immigration guys.
Okay, let's go.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Lilian Herbal channel. And for today's vlog guys, ay dito tayo sa Manila Airport. Magwi-waiting tayo ng ating flight guys going to Hong Kong. This morning, 7:15 AM. So, ikot-ikot muna mga souvenir. Dito mga native product. So, yun guys, marami. Native product yan siya guys. Ito yan So, ayan. Potato. So, kumain ako ng aking food. Ng dinner ko guys ay sa OFW. Free, ano siya? Free food. Ang daming pagkain na pagpilian guys doon. So, hindi naman ako nakakain ng marami kasi ayan guys, so, pagdating ko galing Kalibo, kumain ako ng Jollibee. So, ayun. Hindi siya na huli ko na kasi siya nakita guys. So, yan, gate. So, dito lang muna tayo sa labas, magbe-waiting. Kung anong gate kasi 7:15 pa naman yung flight ko. Ayan guys. Okay, dito lang tayo sa labas. Hanap tayo ng saksakan ng phone. Patutulog muna tayo dito sa airport guys. Wala pa Hong Kong. Dito tayo. Masaksakan dito. So, ayan guys, good morning. At ayan, nakaidlip naman na nga ako guys. At syempre, flight na natin ng 7:15 ng umaga. So, ito. At mag-waiting na tayo ng ating boarding guys. Dito na ako natulog sa malapit sa ayan, guys,
ano ko boarding.
Waiting kami sa aming boarding. Late ang aming ngayon guys. May miliso pala dito guys. So, late yung namin flight ngayon guys. Late na. Cebu Pacific. Ito na. J10, 17. So, ayan guys, delay flight kami ngayon. Instead of 7:10 yung flight namin, ay ito, 8:22. Grabe. Ayan, group number 1 pa lang guys.
Gate 110. Once again, boarding gate 110. Please.
Boarding na guys. Boarding.
Airways flight NH820 was for Narita, disconnecting the attention of its outgoing passenger.
Mr. Takeuchi Kiyosaka. Once again, Mr. Takeuchi Kiyosaka. If you are ready to approach any of the doors, thank you. 皆様おはようございます。メインの私はここで大表を出します。例年ができたように、120日、不上中の竹内清坂さん、竹内さん。
Seven po ba?
For general boarding, you will proceed by passengers needing special assistance. You will traveling with small children and students.
Attention please, this is the final boarding call for guests traveling on flight 5J110 bound for Hong Kong. Final call for guests, Mr. John Carlo Bernabe, Mr. Joshua Caleb Bernabe, Ms. Lucy Codo Blesses, Mr. Nerio Sonico Gindoy, Ms. Maika Potenciano, and Ms. Paula Potenciano. Guests, if you're around, this is your final call to our aircraft now. Under boarding gate 1. Once again, boarding gate 110. All aboard, please.
Si cette zone figure sur votre carte d'affaires, veuillez vous présenter à la porte. Your Canada will now be pre-boarding customers in zone it is only up.
First of all, I would like to apologize for the delay of this flight due to the late repositioning of our aircraft because of the availability here in NAIA Terminal 3. Rest assured that we will safely expedite our flight to minimize the delay incurred. For your flight information, we shall be cruising at 38,000 feet, hour and 45 minutes. Expect cloudy weather as we climb out of Manila, so for your own safety, please fasten your seatbelt at all times as we may encounter light to moderate turbulence during our flight. However, as we enter the Hong Kong airspace, expect the weather will improve. Thank you.
With a seatbelt. To fasten, push ends together. Body. To don, slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push ends touchable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will...
So, ayan na nga guys, at dito na tayo sa Hong Kong. Banting na tayo guys. So, thank you Lord sa safe travel naming lahat. And, syempre, balik na tayo sa normal, sa ating iniwang trabaho. So, tapos na ang ating 6 days vacation. Bakasyon na, saglit. Pero okay lang din. Importante, naka-attend ako ng graduation ng aking anak, guys. Yun ang pinaka-importante sa lahat. Yun lang talaga ang inuwi ko. So, yan. Salamat sa support. Mega love shoutout all my subscribers, my viewers, my silent viewers, sa aking mga members, sa aking Team Chocopop. Mega love shoutout. At sa lahat ng nagsusupport sa akin, and to my Auntie Susan na Falls Barriento sa US and family, mega love shoutout. Sa aking asawa at aking dalawang anak, mega love shoutout. And Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao at saan mang sulok ng mundo, aapod ang video kong ito ay mega love shoutout sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much and God bless. I love you all guys. Ingat kayo palagi and syempre, see you my next vlog guys.
Dahil na-delay kami ng mahigit 1 oras. So, sa wakas, nandito na din. back to reality na naman tayo guys. So tapos na naman ang ating bakasyon saglit. So ayan, immigration na tayo. Magpila muna tayo sa immigration. Baka uwi na tayo. Thank you Lord for the safe flight.
Yan na nga guys, at papunta na tayong immigration. At syempre, bago tayo makaabot ng immigration, ay marahaba pa ang ating lalakarin. At saka sasakay pa tayo ng train papunta doon guys. So tara guys, samahan nyo ako sa aking paglalakad papuntang immigration. Yan, sasakay muna tayo ng train guys bago makaabot tayo sa immigration.